Hey team, how's it going? Eddie Gray here with Camtasia, and today I'm going to show you how to make a product walkthrough video similar to this. Hey, what's up team? This is Eddie Gray back at it again. Today we're going to be talking about control surfaces. Doesn't matter which one it is. I'll open up a new EQ for this track, for example. And at the turn of a dial, we're controlling these parameters. So how did I do that? Now, in order to really pull this off and make it work, I want to Now, 2 years ago, I was sitting right where you are just now. I needed to make a video, didn't really know how. And while making a product walkthrough video can seem overwhelming, it might be easier than you think. I've made the whole process as easy as possible by including a downloadable project along with some drag and drop assets. I even went so far so as to include royalty-free music for my own personal catalog. Now, why would I do that? Because I want you to win. All right. I hope you're ready. Here we go. Scroll down and get started.